With so much destruction in the region from multiple hits by some of the strongest hurricanes in recorded history, international aid can't be concentrated on just one locale. Making things worse, with the U.S. facing its own harrowing aftermath of Hurricane Maria in Puerto Rico, resources that could otherwise be brought to bear on islands like St. Martin are being diverted to the American territory. But there are some good signs, one of which is that airplane spotters are already back on what's left of Mayho Beach, capturing the aviation action. If anything, this is at least an obscure sign that things are slowly returning to some form of normalcy, although there is clearly a long and arduous road for the island paradise. Contact the author Tyler at bedriv.com. Don't forget to sign up your email address.